Hi, I want to show you something about the thermosensors for Seiko VF Veneto and how to check if they are working or not working properly. So first, when you remove the cover of your coffee machine, on the top of the boiler you can see two thermosensors. So one is for the coffee, the temperature of the coffee. The other one is for the steam. So first you have to know what is the problem with your coffee machine. If the water is cold, it doesn't heat the water inside the boiler. You need to check if the thermosensors for the coffee is working. So if it's working, it's not hot. If you can see, I can touch the boiler. You need multimeter. So between these two metal pieces here, you can see two cables. It has to have a connection. You can see you have a connection, so this sensor is working. Now we'll check the other one. Most of the time this one is for the steam and this one is for the coffee temperature. So if you don't know which one is which, you need, when you remove the sensor, you have numbers here and you have to search. Let me see if you can see here. It's L95. L and the number after L is the temperature of the sensor. So this is for coffee sensor, and if you have for the steam, it will be L127, I think, or 125. This is the temperature. So sometime your sensor will work, will connect, but when the boiler reach the temperature, will not cut the connection between the two cables, right? And the boiler will continue to heat. So if this happened, you have a safety thermofuse here, if you can see. And if the temperature is 192 degrees, I think, this will cut the electricity. You can see this is the power cable from the electric grid, and this thermofuse will cut the electricity, and the whole machine will stop work, and you will not have power to your machine. So if this here is burned, probably you have a problem with your thermosensor. You have to replace it. And something else, this thermofuse can stop working or burn, and you can recover this. You need to buy a new one. They are selling this. And if you use the steam, and after you use the steam, doesn't flush the steam and lower the temperature of your boiler and leave higher temperature 2, 3, 5, 10 times, and this fuse can burn also. So after you use your steam for your cappuccino or something else, you need to lower the temperature after using the steam. So this is the two main problems with the sensors for temperature. Bye.